Well, I'm solo on this one today for the crossing, but at least there's a rope. Good morning, everyone. It is day 163 and currently climbing a mountain. I'm going over the Chairback Mountains today. Probably camp at the shelter up here a ways. I think it's in the Chairback still, the shelter. I think it's even Chairback Shelter. Yesterday I had entered the 100-mile wilderness, which was pretty exciting, last stretch. And had some river crossings, which were interesting. Had a big group for all the river crossings, which felt very safe yesterday. But I quit before everyone else yesterday. I stopped at a shelter and they all hiked on, so I didn't have them with me for my crossings this morning, but they weren't as burly, so that's my story. Hiking along, I kind of held back intentionally because I wanted to get a little bit of separation from the bubble because of bad weather coming up. I don't want to be competing for the same shelters with all of the people in that bubble, so I'm hoping if I'm kind of in between the bubbles, I'll be able to get the shelter space that I want once it starts raining here in the next day or two. So, yeah, good times. Let's see what we got today. I wish Barren Mountain was a little more barren so I could get a better view here. I could climb this sketchy looking ladder on this derelict fire tower, but I think I'll pass. The last one of these. Whew. This is an old plane crash. I've passed my last 100-mile mark, the 2100-mile mark. Feels pretty amazing coming into the home stretch, a little surreal. Only got 90-something miles to go here. And yeah, feels good. Getting there. Within a week I'll be on Katahdin Lord willing. I must say, I have really enjoyed Maine. At least when it's not raining. Good morning, everyone. It is day 164. Hiking along here. Gonna be a rainy day. I did get to stay in a shelter last night, so it started raining early this morning. So that's always nice when you don't have to pack up in the rain. Yeah, hiking away. Hoping for 17 miles-ish today. I did about 16 yesterday. There's a shelter in 10 miles. There's a shelter in 17 miles. I would love to stay in a shelter. I have a feeling that the shelter will be full when I get there, but we'll worry about that when we get there. No point worrying about it now. So I am considering the 10-mile shelter because I'm almost sure I could get space there. The problem with that is I'm not sure I have enough food to only go 10 miles today. So this is a 100-mile stretch with no resupply. So yeah, we'll play it by ear, see how it goes, and don't know how much I'm going to be able to film today with the rain, but it's not really raining right now, which is awesome. Oh, the down climbs. Still happening. I thought I was done with these. Ugh. Good times. River crossing. It allegedly is only shin deep, but it might be deeper with the rain. We'll see what we got here. Awesome. I'll tell you what, trekking poles are great for going downhill to help protect your knees. They're great for going uphill to help balance out the workload, but they are worth their weight in gold for crossing streams and rivers. So, yeah, made it across. A little bit below the knee, so a little above mid-calf, I'd say. So, donezo. I should note another hiker came up before I crossed, so I did have an accountability buddy for crossing the river. It was a shortish day today, only about 10 miles, but it was pouring and miserable, and there was a spot in the shelter, so I took it. So yeah, staying in the shelter tonight. I'll have to make up the miles in the next couple days, but it seemed worth it, and still does. So see you tomorrow.